Great camping advice that will make the trip much easier. Camping is truly one of the most amazing and unique types of vacations there are, and you will find yours so much more enjoyable if you make sure you are well prepared for it. Check out the following video for some very valuable advice on making your camping trip a total success. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Those big, colorful plastic storage bins make excellent places to store and organize all of your camping gear. While at home, keep it in a closet or the garage, and right before you leave for your camping trip, pop it in the trunk. It should keep everything airtight, dry and easily accessible. Did you know that a simple mirror can save your life? If you are camping and end up in a survival situation, a simple handheld mirror can be used to signal for help many miles away. Do not buy the standard glass mirror. Many camping supply stores sell mirrors made of Lexan that will float and are practically unbreakable. If you are traveling with children, give them the opportunity to assist you when you get to the campground. They can carry gear, support you as you set up the tent and look for firewood. Not only will it keep them busy and out of trouble, it will be fun for them as well. Have everyone give their opinion on where you should camp. Openly talk about the various options available to you. Since there are so many great options to choose from across the US, it might be hard to select only one. Narrow down your top choices and let your entire family decide. Check the weather updates for the camping site that you choose to go to. There are a number of sites that can provide detailed information regarding what to expect weather-wise during your trip. This will help you prepare by having the right clothes and equipment. Few things offer as much serenity and value than enjoying some one-on-one time with Mother Nature. Hopefully this video has given you all the helpful advice you need to make your camping trip go smoothly and without incident. Keep these tips in mind as you pack for the outing and enjoy every minute of it. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.